So how's life for you guys been? My class bestie is not going. Away. Okay, so I almost started making coffee without vlogging it, and then I remembered I'm gonna start vlogging more. So I ran upstairs to get my tripod, and now here we are. So hi, my name's Emma. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, I'm not going outside because it's like minus 20 degrees Celsius, feels like minus 28 degrees Celsius. And I also kind of slept through my class. I didn't sleep through my class. I slept through the start of my class, so I'm not going anymore because it takes me like 50 minutes to get there, and I'm just not doing that. So I woke up at like 8. It's 9 now. I'm gonna make coffee, and then I'm gonna work on a newspaper thing about small businesses. This is the Alchemy drop. It's the purple version. It's cute. I know you're jealous. The fabric quality is to die for. Yeah. Not my best work, but you get the idea. So how's life for you guys been? Have you been doing good? If you've made it this far in the video, comment down below your favorite type of shoes, because I really want new shoes. But I want like Adidas maroon colored ones with white stripes on the sides. Insert photo here. Okay. Whoa, why'd the flash turn on? Weird. You're good. There you go. Anyways. Hi guys.
Ciao. Anyway, so
it's another day. I'm making my second cup of matcha for today. Because I have a headache and it's 10:49-ish. It's 10:49-ish. I have a headache and I have a class at 12. My entrepreneurial class. I don't remember what we're doing in class today, but I do remember that the teacher yesterday was like, look forward to being in class today, and like tomorrow, and I was like, okay, I guess I'll go. But my class bestie is not going, so. And I have a headache. I got this Yeti a while ago, and by a while ago, I mean like yesterday.
Okay.
I want to see how long it will keep my ice cold in my matchas. I just want to know how long the ice will keep. Then I can make matcha before the gym, and then it can just like sit in my locker. But yeah, so I'm just making my classic matcha with simple syrup.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Cheers. So, I've balding. I've been watching old vlog clips, and I accidentally beasted this, so I can't bring it to school anymore. Like, it's actually done. It's gone. I drank, this is 16 ounces. I drank 2 16 ounces of these in the past 2 hours. Should I be concerned for my health? I don't know. But yeah, thought I would update you. Also, I've been liking filming in the 0.5. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I don't have to like stick my hand out like this. I can hold it closer to my face, which is more comfortable. Canadian weather got you like... Now I don't have to blur it. I'm making my life easier. Okay. So me and Marie got matcha from Japan. She found a website and then she realized that if you buy it in yen instead of Canadian dollars, you get it like way cheaper. Yeah. So this is now a matcha unboxing haul.
It's not like drugs or something. I mean, it is a drug.
No, it's a herbal tea. Okay. Weird bubble wrap. That's huge. Look at how big. It's huge.
That's what she said.
It had like different ratings, like gold stars and like silver stars and stuff.
40. Jesus, jeez. Gift for you.
Yeah. Ta-da! Matcha. And now it is time for me to make some matcha. The crema is really nice, but I think it's a bit thinner than what I normally get. This would be really good for like latte art now that I'm noticing though. Gorgeous color. I wasn't expecting that.
No.
It's a very smooth taste with a little bit of nuttiness. But it's good nonetheless. I need to put the simple syrup away. I think what I'm sensing is that it's not like very sweet. It's not like as sweet, but like it is and it isn't.
Hello, people.
Compared to other matchas I've had. Ta-da, ta-da,
Daily vlog part 2.
Daily vlog part. I don't know, cause I have too much footage every and anywhere here. Now you're making me want to go. Look at that. You rip it.
You rip it.
You rip it like Nanny used to. Burrito reveal. Bro took too long and my burrito's low-key kind of cold right now, so I revoked the tip. Burrito reveal.
To make this last, I know one thing, that things go fast. I know two things, the good don't last. I know three things, I love your laugh. One look at you, I forget my past. One look at you, I forget I'm trash. If I lose you, I'ma get you back. If I lose you, I'ma get you.
Coming back to this point of the vlog where it is another random day and I haven't vlogged anything else but today, but it will probably seem like I have. Today I'm making this thing that I found on Pinterest. I've made it 2 times before with my family. This time I'm making it by myself. I forgot to take the beef out of the freezer, so I have to run it under hot water to get it to not be frozen. But I gotta peel all these potatoes and bake them. But yeah. for the vlog. Okay, so we got the homemade pisu, and the guacamole, guac. And then we have the sweet potatoes that are all baked and stuff. It's for the vlog, Jasmine. There's the crispy beef that we put on poke. No one can hear what you're saying right now. Oh, I'm Jasmine and I talk about my life to everyone. all I do is gym, eat, sleep, and talk to Junior. Yes. So the final product.
Take your time. You say good things take time, don't you, girl? Waste time.